Now, I'm a huge fan of quality music headphones. These headphones, HD5 8X Jubilee version, can be found at drop.com. About $220 when I bought them 5-6 years ago. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful Sennheiser. If you ever get a chance, well worth the investment. One of my favorite pairs of headphones. Now, why do I talk about that? Because, of course, when you're working in shop, you have to have ear protection on a regular basis. So I said to myself, why don't I have some nice music with my headphones? And so I went out and I've made about 2 or 3 pairs so far. This turns out, this Honeywell VS130D headphones, or ear protection, is really nice to work with. And I'll show you in just a second why. Reasonably priced, I think around $39 Canadian these days. This is the set I made up a while back. You can see all I've done is popped off, split off. So there's where your standard plastic would go. Split it off, mounted a quality speaker, and then wired it up. And these make really great sound isolation and quality music. You go to buy a set of earphones or headphones, working style, with built-in music. They start around $70, $80 and go straight up to $150, $200. These, so you buy custom earmuffs, make it much more comfy on your ears. The actual speakers, $20 for a decent set of 2. So between the $30 muffs and the $20 speakers, you get $50 you've invested, and you got a nice sounding set of ear protection. So why these ones? Because, and I'll show you in just a second, they come apart so easily. They're componentized. So you just run a little knife blade down here. Without slicing your fingers off. Just a second. So as you can see, they come apart very easily, and it's just pressure fitted. These just pressure fit into here. You take a knife, it pops apart quite easily. There's foam inside. And all I did was take a piece of plastic, I don't know, 4 mil, 5 mil, cut it to shape, epoxy it in, cut out for the driver, wire it up, and you got yourself a nice little set of headphones. Of course, this foam, hard on your ears, it works, but it's not very comfy. Cut it out and epoxy on a new muff. Like I say, these are about $20. This one's a little undersized. It'll still work, but it's a little bit small. The originals were, as you can see, bigger. They fit on nicer. So it's not beautiful, but it sure does a lot comfier on the ear. And you get some really good sound out of it. I would love to find a source for planar magnets. Okay, just to try them out. Of course, you can go out and buy Fostex S20s, S50s, is that right? Fostex 50 series with planar magnets, and steal the drivers out of those. But you're at least $250, so I guess you get what you pay for. It'd be nice to be able to just buy the speaker units themselves. So that's the pieces. This is why this is so nice, because it's just pressure fit together. Okay, your dampening foam is already in place. This just squeezes back together, drill it out. I'll go ahead and do that with these two. This is a thin version, so the V130D is the fatter version, and the VS100D is a nice thin profile. We'll do them both, and we'll see what they look like when they're done, and see how they sound. Thanks a lot. Just a quick little video on a little electronics project.